For episode 32 of Expressions at Work, titled Fostering Creativity and Innovation, let's focus on expressions like color outside the lines, plant the seed of innovation, break new ground, and cultivate creativity. This episode will feature a dialogue in a workshop aimed at fostering creative thinking and innovative approaches. Alex, Project Manager. Good morning, everyone. In today's workshop, we're focusing on how to color outside the lines in our approach to projects. It's all about being creative and innovative. Jenna, Senior Designer. That's exciting, Alex. Sometimes, to really innovate, we need to plant the seed of innovation early in our process and nurture it as we go along. Mike, Primary Developer. I agree. It's about breaking new ground, trying things we haven't done before. It's how we'll stay ahead in our field. Alex, precisely, Mike. Cultivating creativity in our team is crucial. It's not just about coming up with ideas, it's about developing an environment where those ideas can thrive. Further into the workshop, Jenna. I think regular creative sessions like this can really help. They encourage us to think differently and explore new possibilities. Alex, absolutely, Jenna. These sessions are where we can break new ground and explore uncharted territories in our work. Mike, and it's in these sessions we can let our creative juices flow and come up with something truly unique. Alex, let's keep this momentum going. Fostering a culture of creativity and innovation is essential for our continuous growth. Let's break down these expressions. Color outside the lines. To think or act in an unconventional or creative manner. Example, Jenna's design concept really colors outside the lines. Plant the seed of innovation. To start the process of innovation or creative thinking. Like, our brainstorming sessions aim to plant the seed of innovation. Break new ground. To do something innovative, especially in an area that has not been explored before. For instance, with this project, we're looking to break new ground in our industry. Cultivate creativity. To actively develop and encourage creative thinking. Example, by fostering open discussions, we cultivate creativity among our team members.